Listen to this song.
Make that money move, watch the paper flow, turn a dollar into 10.
Would you believe that I created this song using Kendrick Lamar's They Not Like Us? But that's just the beginning of what an AI music generator can do. When I gave it Madonna's Like a Virgin, then it gave me this.
Incomplete.
This isn't just another AI music generator. Mureka AI is a game changer and it's changing the way that we create music. While other AI music generators rely on text descriptions, Mureka AI is different because it allows you to upload references so that you can get the exact vibe that you want. And the thing that truly sets Mureka AI apart is the fact that you can even choose the vocals that you want. Or you can even be the star of your own show by uploading your own voice to the tracks. And not to mention that it also creates music in other languages such as Japanese, Spanish, and any language that you want. And that's something that no other music tool can match right now. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Mureka AI can turn any musical idea into a reality. Whether you're a content creator looking for some original music or you're a musician looking to experiment with new styles, this is definitely the tool for you. So let's dive in and let's see what musical magic we can create using Mureka AI. So guys, once you go over to Mureka and you set up your profile, then you'll come here. So now you'll see that there's a whole lot of examples that you can basically play off. But I'm assuming that you already have an idea of what you want to create. So you're going to go over here to the corner and you're going to click on create and it's going to take you here. So you'll see that you have two different options. You have the basic and you have the advanced. Basic is basically just where you can type out the lyrics or you can type out an idea of the song you would like to create. Then you can select the style and then it will basically create it for you. Then you also have the advanced option where you can add in a little bit more. So here you can fully add in the lyrics that you want to, you can add in the song, and then you can even use a reference where you can actually use a song off of YouTube and it's going to use that as the reference. And then it will actually put the two songs together and it will create it for you. So guys, we're going to head over to basic first and then we are going to describe the song. So guys, the idea that I've come up with is this. So let's say a rock song with a rap beat and an emo tone, and also let's not forget lots of drums. Then we're going to go here to the bottom, guys. That is the option that we selected. We are going to select rock and then we're going to select create. And now it's basically going to put all of that into a cool little song for us. This is the basic option, guys. We're gonna see how it sounds, but in a few seconds we are also going to test out advanced. But for now, guys, let's give the basic option a quick listen.
In the dark of my room, I hear the rain. Echoes of pain, they never go away. Every beat reminds me of the pain in my soul. It's a constant reminder. I'm standing here.
So guys, that was Echoes of Pain, and I must say, it actually sounds so cool given the fact that we actually didn't give it that many things to work from. But now I'm curious, what's gonna happen if we give it more? So we're gonna go over to advanced, and here guys, you'll see that you can enter your lyrics and also the song. So let's give the song a title. Now I like that idea that I brought up a little bit earlier about Lonely from Akon. So since we all know that song, let's see how we can play with it. So now let's call it Mr. Lonely, and then guys, we're going to enter the lyrics. So now here is the lyrics for Lonely by Akon. Let's go over to reference, and then what we're going to do is you're going to click on this and you are going to click over here, and then you're going to see this section right over here. So guys, you can choose any of these options over here. These are on Mureka itself, or you can go over here where you can upload an audio or upload a YouTube link. So once you click on a YouTube link, then you can just go over to this section and you can paste the YouTube link, and then it will actually use that as a reference for your song. Okay guys, so since the song is trending so much, I just had to use this one as an example. So guys, we're gonna use Kendrick Lamar, They Not Like Us. Then guys, just go over here and you paste it in and you click on done. Okay guys, so as you see over here, you can select where you want the song to start. So I'm gonna put it over here just before the lyrics comes in, and then you can actually add in your other stuff. So this is Lonely by Akon with They Not Like Us. So let's get creative with this. Let's say the genre should be rock, and then the mood that we're gonna go for, let's go for energetic, because that is really not an energetic song. And then the song title is still Mr. Lonely, and then we're gonna click on done over here. and now it's going to be putting everything together for us. Okay guys, so Mr. Lonely is completed. Now let's take a quick listen and see how Mureka did.
Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night, and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side. Could've sworn I was dreaming for her. I was feeling, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking over these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crashing, and I'm so lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own, to call my own girl. I'm so lonely.
So guys, that is Mr. Lonely, and honestly, Mr. Lonely, it sounds pretty cool. Like, I do like the fact that it added all the elements for us, and as you can hear guys, it is a totally original song, and it's actually blending the two in a pretty cool way. And guys, now we need to give it the ultimate test. Let's really see what Mureka can do. So now guys, since we already used the reference, what if we didn't use one? And then what if we also changed up the song a little bit? So now, I'm not sure if you guys are Evanescence fans, but this is one of my favorite songs called Bring Me to Life. And now we just have to add a title, and since the title is already so powerful, let's just keep it at Bring Me to Life. Okay, and then guys, you're gonna go over here to these sections again. So as you see here, you have vocals, which basically means that you can actually select the voice that you want for this. So it means you can go to James, who sounds like this. You can go to Stan, who sounds more like The Weeknd. You can go to Roderick. Or you can go to a female voice like Gemma, and also there's a couple of other options at the bottom like Candace and a few more. I'm going to select Gemma for this one guys. So we are just going to click on Gemma, and then guys, here when it comes to the description, you're going to click on description, and then basically what you're going to see is you can add anything here. So now I've already added these options. I like that we can maybe make this a rock song. Since it's not a happy song, let's make it happy. Let's also add an element of hip hop, also make it passionate, and you know what, let's add some joyfulness to the mix as well. And then we're going to give it a female voice guys, and then you're going to click on done, and then you're going to go over to the bottom and press on create. And now I'm pretty curious to see what it's going to do with this. This is one of my favorite songs. I absolutely love every part of the song, so I'm pretty curious to see what it's going to do with the notes that we gave it. Now, this means it should kind of stay the way I like it, but also adding a happy element to it. So I would actually assume that it's going to do awesome here as well. And guys, there, as you can see, it is now completed. Let's take a look at what Mureka did with one of my all-time favorite songs.
How can you see into my eyes like open doors, leading you down into my core, where I've become so numb without a soul, my spirit's sleeping somewhere cold, until you find it there and need it back home. Wake me up inside. I can't wake up, wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Wake me up, make my blood to life before I come undone.
Now, I was not expecting that. I was not expecting it to turn a song that I loved into something that was actually so playful and so happy. And now guys, if you like the song, then all you have to do is just go to the side and you just have to click on download, and then you can actually download the song for yourself, and then it's ready to use for your content. Now, I would suggest guys, really playing around with it. What you can also do is you can go onto ChatGPT, you can ask for a couple of easy scripts, you can then take that script and you can paste it onto Mureka, and then you can set the genre that you want, and then you can just generate it, and you can actually have awesome music for anything that you want to. Remember guys, the more descriptive you get, the better the results is going to be. So guys, if you want to check out Mureka, then all you have to do is head into the first link in the description below, and while you guys are down there, give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. Please go and test out Mureka guys, and I cannot wait to see what incredible music you are going to come up with just by using this awesome platform. So that is it for this one guys. It was a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one. But wait guys, before I go, I want to leave you with one more song that I think you are going to love. Check it out.
You incredible viewer, subscribe to Zeno Media. We'll be the best edition of your life, and you will absolutely love all the content that we have coming your way. Don't forget to like the video, and also turn on that bell notification icons. I will see you guys on the next video.